Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how to do a quick clean of your bike. So this is my mountain bike. It's a trail bike. You don't need expensive products to do a quick clean of your bike. So what I'm using today is just some dishwashing liquid. I have some WD-40 is for degreasing the chain. This is for lubrication of the chain, and I have some surgical spirit or some alcohol spirit. You can use more products, but this is just for basic cleaning and maintenance of your bike. So of course I have a bucket of water, and yeah, that's what I'll use to clean my bike. Let me show you how to do this. So I'll just begin by degreasing the chain. So to do that, you first have to protect the disc brake. You don't want to get any oil or lubricant on the disc brake, so just I'll cover it with a cloth. You can use a paper towel. So just cover the disc brake. Cover it as best as you can to prevent any lubricant getting on your disc brake, because if lubricant gets on your disc brake, you'll have problems braking. Can make braking, yeah, your brakes will not be as effective. Once you have done that, you can see I've worn some gloves. Luckily I had some gloves. Then to degrease, you just shake that and you spray on the chain and start, and you use your cloth. It's a dirty cloth, but yeah, I mean it's oil, so you spray down here. Don't spray, try not to spray near the disc, but try and spray away from the disc brake. And you wipe that off. This is quite anyway, just spray around. So yeah, just wipe that off. Lubricate, oil your chain regularly. I've not done that, been doing that regularly, but yeah, it's good to do it. Lubricate it, clean it and lubricate it regularly, because it will gather up grime and dirt, and your chain will not be as effective. Ideally, after every ride, you should do a quick clean of your bike, although I know it's not that easy to do, but just try and do that. Yeah, this one is quite greasy and mucky. Get that oil off. Actually, you can even spray on the cloth directly. Yeah, just try and get that off. You spray on the cassette. Hopefully I don't get it on the disc brake, but sometimes actually it's quite unavoidable. But so yeah, just try and get that off. Yeah, I think you'd advise to use gloves, because some of these chemicals are not really good for you, for your skin. Like yeah, they're not the best. So wipe that off. Get that grease off. The spray from the disc brake, but it's quite unavoidable to get these parts, the set in the derailleur. Do another spray. This smells terrible. Wish I had a mask, but what do you do? Not an expert, but if you guys could also tell me the methods you use to clean your mountain bikes. If you have better methods. I know this is not the most neat method, but hey, as long as get it up clean and ready for next ride, that's the main point. Yeah, it just doesn't smell good. I wish I had a mask. I need a gas mask for this. So after that, now I'll start washing. Don't need fancy chemicals, just use some dishwashing liquid. So just put some in there. Don't need. So another good method is just to spray on the cloth instead of spraying directly on the bike, so you don't get it on the disc brake. So I'm just removing some more grease that was there. Yeah, I can't get all of it, so now I got a brush and I'll just start cleaning the bike. So yeah, just use a brush, water, dishwashing liquid, and you're good to go. You don't need fancy soaps and detergents. So let me just add some more dishwashing liquid. Soapy. Just clean the back. Try avoid cleaning the greasy parts with the brush, because you'll just get the brush all like has happened. You get it all oily, which you don't want to do. So yeah, for me it's been a while since I cleaned my bike, but it's still in good condition. It was not too muddy or too dirty. I had not gone on a trail. I was mostly doing road biking. But I do want to get back on doing some nice mountain biking on trails and tracks. So I just want to get it ready for that. So yeah, this will take a while. I want to get it nice and clean. So you might be asking, why should I clean the tires if they're just going to get dirty anyway again? But you just want your tires looking nice and clean. I mean, even though you know they'll get dirty again, but yeah, you don't want them dirty. I mean, what's the point of cleaning your bike if you're going to leave some parts dirty? So just clean everywhere. Some might disagree, but there's some fun in cleaning your bike. You know, you just knowing that you got it from dirty to clean and seeing the finished result is good. So yeah. So I'm going to clean the bike up, and I'm going to come back to you later, catch up later. And another thing I would like to add is when you're cleaning your bike, don't use your best shirt or best clothes. Use a old shirt or a dark shirt, a black, like I'm wearing a black shirt, so you don't get all that grease on your shirt. So use old clothes, old t-shirts, or better yet, use an apron. That's just another tip when cleaning your bike, because you don't want all that grease and messing up your good clothes. I'm still get on with cleaning my bike. Yeah, it's really looking way better now. Just add some more dishwashing liquid. Soap it up a bit. Get to clean it. Excuse the noise in the background, there's a lawnmower. Just don't mind it. The bike is looking way better now. So after soaping your bike, cleaning it, now you can just wash it down. You don't have to use high pressure to clean off your bike. Just need normal tap pressure. Hose it down, because when you use very high pressure, like car wash pressure, to clean your bike, then you can end up like cleaning off the lubricants in the bearings, which will not be good. Clean the other side. I see nothing too powerful, too strong. Normal pressure should be good enough. So after hosing your bike, and cleaning it, you just do a quick wipe down of your bike. Yeah, I'm just using an old rag. You don't have to use new. I mean, you can buy new rags, but you don't have to. Just use an old t-shirt or rag lying around and just do a wipe down to dry up your bike. Yeah, just do wipe off all the water, or most of it, just the metal parts, really. Enough to dry the tires. See, I'm just doing a quick wipe down of the bike. It will also prevent rust. So the next step is putting some lubricant back on the chain and also taking care of the brakes, and I'll show you how to do that. So when you're cleaning your brakes, you never use lubricant or oil, because that will just make your brakes inefficient and dangerous. So what you can use is some alcohol to wipe it off. A paper towel, I guess I should use a cloth, but I don't have any other cloth, so I'll just use paper towel. Some other. Use the alcohol to wipe off the disc brakes. So again, don't use lubricant to clean your disc brakes. You're asking for an accident because your brakes won't work. Add some more there. Mine is getting finished. Yeah, just do the same for the front disc brake. That's how you clean your disc brakes. I'm going to just start lubricating a bit with I'm going to use some WD-40 to lubricate some parts of the bike, not all the parts. So yeah, you can use it on some parts, like maybe here, the pedal. So the joints, use it here. Here the seat. And as you can see, I covered my disc brake to try and avoid getting lubricant on the disc. Also use it here, the steering, the handlebars. Before I do the front disc brake, I'm going to just lubricate the chain, and that one you just lubricate it here. Just turn it around. You can just do a bit here, but really just do on the chain. So you just turn the chain while you're lubricating. Change gears. There, you lubricated the chain. Back to the front, I'll just spray some WD-40 on some joints while protecting the disc brake, and that's really it when cleaning a bike. Yeah, those are the basic steps, and if you have more tips or more products you can use, let me know. Don't forget to subscribe and like my channel, and thanks for watching.